Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Blue and Me system in this little Fiat. First of all, you make sure Bluetooth's on, nothing showing. We'll click the phone. That's showing last calls in the center. Scroll down, media player, settings, select, user data, pairing, select.
User pairing in progress. The PIN code is 7728. To pair up, look for the Blue and Me with your device and insert the PIN code displayed.
Well, the voices explain better than I can, but there you go, Blue and Me. Oops. And then we need 7728. So 7728 pair. I don't want to allow it, but you will.
Connecting.
That's it, showing my iPhone in the center there. Blue and Me connected.
Welcome. To use the phone book, it is necessary to copy the contacts on the vehicle. Continue.
No.
The phone book will not be copied. To copy, go to the settings menu and select user data.
Okay, so I don't want to do that. I'll never be using the car again, but again you will.